Hello and welcome to our video guide on the top websites to learn web development. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer looking to upskill, there are many great websites available to help you learn web development. इस वीडियो में हम आपको वेब डेवलपमेंट सीखने के लिए बेस्ट वेबसाइट्स के बारे में बताएंगे. So let's get started. Our first recommendation is CodeCamp. CodeCamp is one of the most popular websites to learn web development. The website offers courses on various programming languages, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and more. CodeCamp के courses interactive, engaging, और beginners and advanced learners दोनों के लिए डिजाइन किए गए हैं. The website provides instant feedback on your code, and it has a vibrant community of learners and instructors. CodeCamp free and paid दोनों plans offer करती है, making it an affordable option for learners who want to learn web development. Free CodeCamp is another popular website to learn web development. Website HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React सहित वेब डेवलपमेंट पर कोर्सेज ऑफर करती है. Free CodeCamp's courses are project-based, which means that you learn by building real-world projects. The website has a large community of learners and developers, and it offers free certifications upon completion of its courses. Udemy is a popular online learning platform that offers courses on various topics, including web development. The website has a vast selection of web development courses. Udemy के courses beginners and advanced learners दोनों के लिए डिजाइन किए गए हैं and they are taught by experienced instructors. Udemy courses are priced differently, but they're often affordable, and the website offers frequent discounts. W3 Schools is a popular website that provides free tutorials on web development. The website offers tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and more. W3 Schools tutorials are easy to follow, and they're designed for both beginners and advanced learners. The website provides examples, code snippets, and interactive coding environments that make learning web development fun and engaging. Coursera is an online learning platform that offers courses on various topics, including web development. Website में HTML, CSS, JavaScript सहित web development courses का एक vast selection है. Coursera's courses are taught by experienced instructors. Coursera courses are priced differently, but learners can often audit courses for free. In conclusion, there are many great websites available to help you learn web development. CodeCamp, Free CodeCamp, Udemy, W3 Schools, and Coursera are among the best websites to learn web development. Each website has its unique features, courses, and pricing plans. By choosing the website that best suits your learning needs and budget, you can acquire valuable web development skills that can help you advance your career. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.